Hey guys, my name's Bryce Pree from Edgewater Automation. I'm a controls engineering apprentice, and today I'm going to show you some new technology from Olis Robotics. The new Olis technology is a way to remotely recover and debug your robots. So what Olis allows you to do is view different camera angles, different robot positions, outputs, everything you can imagine necessary to debug, but be able to do it remotely instead of having to go on site with a customer. Olis operates through Ethernet to your robot controller, which allows you to jog and manipulate the robot in a series of different ways. The physical setup of Olis is easy as can be. It's an Ethernet cable that goes to your robot controller, your webcams, and a connection to your local internet. The software setup also cannot be easier. With Olis, you just configure the IP address of your robot. You configure any remote VPN options you'd like to have to control your robot remotely, and that's about it. Olis is a huge time and cost saver in many different areas. It allows you to do the things that would traditionally require you to be on site with a customer to do remotely instead. This allows you to minimize downtime and lower costs as well. Through Olis, you're able to view many different parts of the robot. This allows for easy debug. You're able to jog the robot, you're able to look through webcams, you're able to actively see your I/O, and you're also able to look at debug logs and see exactly what went wrong when you have a fault or error that have occurred. Whenever there's a fault that occurs, you're instantly sent an email. The email includes a debug log of what happened, and it also gives you different webcam views of when that problem occurred. Robot downtime is not a matter of if, it's a matter of when, and staying ahead of the problems before they occur is a huge part of solving them. The ability to use Olis to debug and solve your issues remotely reduces your amount of downtime that you'll have when these events occur. Edgewater believes integrating Olis into our future projects is going to be massively beneficial to our end customer.